Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back with another trading video. So today I'm on the Pocket Option platform, and I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs utilizing my 5 SMA stack and Vortex Indicator trading strategy. So what you're looking at here is the interface of Pocket Option, and I have my SMA lines set up here. The white line is the 100 SMA, the blue is the 50 period SMA, the green is the 20 period SMA, the turquoise is the 9 period SMA, and the red line is the 3 period SMA. In addition to that, I have my Vortex indicator set up here at the bottom of the chart, and I have the period set to 3 on the Vortex indicator here, period 3, and in the style settings, I have the VI plus line set to green 3 pixels, the VI minus red 3 pixels. So we can go ahead and save that. The candlestick charts, I have my candle set to 15 seconds, regular Japanese candles, right? And for my trade timer, I have it set to 1 minute. So I'll be taking fast 60-second trades while looking at these 15-second candles. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video until I find a setup, come back and share the setup. Okay, so I'm on the USD JPY currency pair, and what I'm looking for is a cross of the green vortex line, the plus VI line, and the red VI line here. I'm waiting for the vortex lines to cross here. I need the green vortex line to cross above the red one in an upward direction. And the reason I'm going to take a buy trade is we're seeing a general bullish trend in the price of the currency pair here. We have all the SMA lines generally sloping upwards. So let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and take a trade here. All right. I wound up taking 2 trades here at this level, but that's fine. Waited for that cross, as you see here, the green vortex crossing over the red vortex line in an upward direction. And with the confluence of all the SMA lines sloping upwards, we have the 100, 50, 20, and the 9 period all sloping upwards. This suggests a continued bullish momentum to the upside in the price of the currency pair. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of the 60 seconds. Okay, so uh, both the trades were in the money here, uh, resulting in a increase in our balance. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait for the next setup. Okay, so I just took a buy trade on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. And the reason why I took the trade, if you notice here, there's a sharp divergence of the vortex line, the green vortex line diverging from the red here, growing increase in the line lengths here. In addition to that, if we notice here, there's a strong bullish momentum occurring in the price of the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen here. All of the SMA lines are sloping upwards. So these two confluences, the divergence along with the slope of the lines, all suggest a continued bullish momentum to the upside in the price of the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for our next trade setup. Quick note on this trade here, even though there was a cross here of the vortex line, I avoided this trade. Although we're seeing all the SMA's lines sloping downwards, we want to avoid this trade because there's a level of support here happening that it looks like the the price doesn't want to push back downwards too. If I had taken this bearish trade, you see, it's going against us, and that's because there's a strong support level here. Okay, so that's a trade to avoid. I'm on the Great British Pound JPY OTC, and I just took a sell trade here. Uh, the reason why I took the sell trade is at the time I took the trade, there was a sharp divergence here of the vortex lines here, a growing separation between the green and the red line here. In addition to that, we're looking at the slopes of all the SMA lines, the 150, 29, and the 4, all sloping in a downward direction. So these confluences suggest a continued bearish push to the downside in the price of the currency pair over the next 60 seconds. I took the trade at this level here. So let's wait for the expiration of this trade. Okay, so that trade was in the money. Let's move on to the next trade setup. So I'm on the US dollar Japanese yen OTC here, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason I took the buy trade is we see the cross here. If you look at the vortex line here, we have the cross here that occurred. In addition to that, we're seeing all the SMA lines sloping in a generally an upward direction here. So let's monitor this trade uh, over the next 60 seconds. You know, it's experiencing a bullish momentum here. So I took this trade at this level here. Okay, so that trade was in the money. Pause the video, look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Great British Pound currency pair, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason I took the sell trade, there was a sharp divergence here at this level. If you notice the divergence between the red vortex line and the green vortex line here, sharp divergence. We're already seeing the slope of the SMA lines sloping downwards here. So I went ahead and took the sell trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry at the end of 60 seconds. Okay, so that trade was in the money here. All right, so I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share the video with your friends and colleagues. I've only been risking about 1%, 2% of my capital here, part of good money management. You want to risk high percentages of your capital. The idea is to grow your balance slowly but surely. I have a link to the trading platform if you're interested in the video comments or the video description or the channel bio. Thank you for watching. 5-stack SMA. Vortex Divergence Trading Strategy, Gus Schmidt.